Music. Welcome to my Credit Builder Plus review. I'll cover how it works, its best features, and who it's for. Check the description for product links. Credit Builder Plus, from MoneyLion, helps you boost your credit score and save money simultaneously. Perfect for those with limited or damaged credit, it provides a clear path to financial health. Here's the deal: it combines a small credit builder loan with progress tracking tools. You can get a loan up to $1,000. Part is available immediately, the rest is secured. Your monthly payments are reported to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, building a positive payment history. What sets Credit Builder Plus apart? Accessibility. No high credit score or extensive history needed to qualify. Plus, you get access to the MoneyLion app with financial tracking, credit score monitoring, and budgeting tips. This program is ideal for rebuilding or establishing credit, especially if you're new to credit or recovering financially. The affordable monthly fee makes it widely accessible. And the savings component builds a financial cushion. Remember, consistent participation and on-time payments are key for credit improvement. Combine Credit Builder Plus with good financial habits like minimizing debt for best results. Ready to take charge of your credit and build a safety net? Credit Builder Plus is worth a look. See the links in the description to learn more and get started. Reach your credit goals with this powerful tool.